Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louisihuefo. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this very beautiful crossed hairstyle inspired by the renowned hairstylist Hair by Sleam. So apparently this video was actually requested by one of you here on my channel. So I decided to also show everybody how to do it. So first I'm going to section the hair into two and then tie it down with a rubber band and then get a hair padding and then do a bond behind. So I have a video on how to make hair paddings, which I'm going to leave up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do hair paddings.
A few moments later.
So the next step is to take the hair backward and then comb it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the hair into three and then lay the middle one behind and then use a control pin to hold it down. So the reason why I'm using a control pin to hold it down first is because I want to know where I'm actually going to, like, you know, put everything. So I'm using my ultra hold spray to make sure all the flyaways are put in place. So then after that, I'm going to get a bobby pin, or bobby pins rather, and then secure it. So I'm going to start from one side and secure it to the middle, and then stop and come to the next one and do from that other side to the other end. So the next step, I'm going to spread that one just as seen here in the video. Then I'm going to like tuck it underneath. So but first I'm going to get my control pin just to make sure everything is really smooth, and then use it to like secure that part down. So once I'm done, I'm going to tuck it, you know, underneath the bun. So you guys, the next step is taking one of the hairs that are left over from one side. So I'm going to be going with the one from my right. I'm going to comb it and then get my ultra set spray and then spray it. So the reason why I'm spraying it is because I really want it to, like, you know, stay intact. So once I spray, I'm going to use my rattle comb to like smooth in the hair and then put it over and then use a control pin to hold it so it doesn't move. So once I'm done, I'm going to like put the leftover from the ends under the bun. So I'm going to be repeating the same step for the other side, and then we're cool with you know, the both sides.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go.
So you guys, I'm going to carefully take out the control pins. The reason why I said carefully is because if you're not careful, it's going to like pull out on some strands and you're going to mess everything up. So then after that, I'm going to use my Ultra Set spray to like fix the hair. So most times I use the Ultra Set spray to fix the hair because it can also serve you as a lightweight spray and also a set spray. So I'm going to be using these beautiful pearls I got from Bright and Made Factory on Instagram. You guys can look them up. I'm going to be leaving their Instagram on the screen. So I'm just going to put it on the hair just to embellish it, and that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.